Hello and welcome to our Divine Light Healing Circle. Today we are doing 3 different things. One is journeying to a place of transmutation and transformation. My guiding ones called it the Ocean of Purple. The second step is to stop by a energy healing pyramid to amplify our inner light, our healing light, and absorption of love, so that when we have absorbed love, we can share it with others. And the third space is to create a safety bubble or safe space for us. And this safe space will help us to actually, when we are under duress, go mentally into the safe space. So we had one more person coming in. Wonderful. Group is complete. So we start again as we usually do with bringing in the divine light, connecting with our higher self by envisioning a golden light bubble over our head. One ray of the golden light bubble flows into the top of our head, brain. Every single cell of our brain takes from this nurturing light vibration as it flows further into the eyes, ears, nose, mouth, throat, and neck. Golden light flows further into the shoulders, arms, hands, fingertips, along the spine and muscle structure in the back, into the heart and chest opening, both wide, into the solar plexus to make it more radiant, into the whole digestive system, into the hips, legs, knees, calves, feet, and through the feet into the ground like roots. So we are like standing in the doorway of light flooding through us. And then we let the golden light overflow from our heart into our aura and electromagnetic field. With every single breath, our aura gets more gold and more bright by the second. And it might expand too with every single breath. Further, we are bringing in the purifying white silver sparkling diamond-esque light. What that means is ground tone is white for purification. Silver sparkles lighten up the energy. It works against all low vibrational energy. Dark entities do not like to be tickled by sparkling silver light. And then the diamond-esque fluorescent almost light means like tiny little crystalline structures, like liquid light structures, shimmering metallically in all colors of the rainbow, flowing in with the white and silver sparkles into our system, into the top of our head, illuminating in higher vibration rate, initializing change and purification in our brain, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, throat, and neck. Heightened vibration rate is initialized in our shoulders, arms, hands, and outer fingertips. The liquid light is flowing into our spine and muscle structure in the back, into our heart and chest, opening both wide, into the solar plexus to make it more radiant. Whole digestive system private parts, hips, legs, knees, calves, feet, and through the feet into the ground like roots. White, silver, sparkling, diamond-esque liquid light flows through our feet all the way down to the core center crystals of Mother Earth. And there the gold and the white, silver, sparkling light conjoin, creating a silver golden swirl, almost like a mirror to our galaxy's swirling energy dynamics. And it swirls out from the core in our center to the outer rim of Mother Earth, similar to the outer rim from the core of the central sun to the outer rim of the galaxy. Everything in the universe has its mirror. Every microcosmos has a microcosmos. Everything big has a small counterpart, and vice versa. So what we do in our small world has an effect on the outer world. That said, the silver and white sparkling light, together with the gold, as they swirl around the Earth's core, they transmute and transform low vibrational energies, and the light foundation and fountains are bubbling up through the ground earth into the surface area where plants, animals, and humans, as well as other energy life, can be nurtured according to their needs. When you look around the globe, you might see that centers of special needs like war zones or other catastrophe areas, in these areas, these energy light fountains will pop up more often and more easily as Mother Earth tries to heal herself by bringing more energy, attention, and light to these areas. This is a natural process which we support by just bringing in the divine light like gateways from the higher regions and grounding them into Mother Earth's core center crystals, from which they are distributed to the outer surface in a rotational manner, just like our galaxy. As we are bringing in more light frequencies now, we are expanding our energy volume. With every single breath, energy expands continuously, endlessly, and always. With that, low vibrational energy is hard to resist this divine light, meaning low vibrational energies will be automatically and easily transmuted and transformed, making room for more love and energized healing than low vibrational desperation that can float out. This easement can float out. Divine light and healing can come in. But we are also inviting our own guiding ones, guardians, and angelic helpers to assist in the upcoming transformatory energy journey. Please call in your individual guiding ones and guardians, any kind of helpers who want to assist you to the highest purpose and to the highest purpose of this energy event. Only high vibrational beings of the highest orders are invited. No low vibrational beings are tolerated. Any disruptive energies have to stay outside, far away from our workings. And so be it, and so it's done. And now, as they are sometimes visible to you and to your inner mind's eye, we greet the guiding ones to our right and to our left, and the ones behind us, keeping our back free, to front, keeping our front open, the ones to support us from below and above. We thank you for your support and energy service. Therefore, we are more able to help and heal our own bodies, mental frame, as well as giving the nurturing healing frequencies and sharing them with others. That said, we are widening ourselves safely and securely now for more light. As we are bringing in more golden and white silver sparkling diamond-esque light frequency, liquid light. We're letting our consciousness drift upwards, easily and naturally, along the light strands, out of our body, towards more healing, more understanding, the bigger picture, bigger framework, and we're allowing ourselves to ascend gently, smoothly. And as we so ascend upwards, we set our direction in time and space towards the purple ocean of transformation. This is happening in a galaxy, not in our own, but in a different one, where everything is about transformation and transformation, transmutation. And so we set the course to this planetary system, which has a purple ocean, liquid light of purple, a whole planet, beautifully adorned with liquid light, watery light liquid of purple, just there for this one purpose. It's a healing planet. You might find some beaches where you can relax, but the majority of the planet is purple liquid light. Please feel free to dive in, to let all that which is dark, dense, low vibrational out of you, transmuting it, transforming it, so that you can be almost translucent in your energy system, free from imprints of lower vibration rate, free from traumas, letting it all go, free from all worries which burden you, even the little day-to-day nitty-gritties, from do I have a whole home which is moldy, or where do I get my next meal from, or am I loved, am I protected, am I safe? From small worries to big worries, let it all go in the ocean of love, of purple transformation and transmutation. Drift in it, relax in it. In this ocean you cannot drown. You can just give your body over. You can give just your mind over to just being cleansed and cleared. You might see darkness and energy oozing out of you like dirt out of a cleaning fabric. This purple light functions like cleansing energy detergent, like your washing machine. The wafting energy of purple goes through your whole body. Any dark spots, physically, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. All these stains, all these imprints, all these subconscious belief structures can be washed away to make room for new and improved and upgraded infrastructures of beliefs, which will be embedded in you in our next step. So give freely of your old beliefs, limitational beliefs, and say maybe to your own self, I'm ready to let go of all these dysfunctional and non-functional and fearful and limitational beliefs. I'm letting them drain out of my system to replaced by more and better useful energy imprints. I'm trusting the divine design that these low vibrational imprints will be replaced by better, divinely orchestrated, easy to integrate, purposeful programming for my best and highest good on this life path. Take one more moment to just air out all that which you do not longer need. Let it all wash away in this purple ocean. Now please step out kindly out of this purple-violet bath. Shake yourself off of all the old, no longer needed. Stand in the sunshine and let yourself being dried up and dried off from this old, non-supportive energies. Standing there in the sunshine, rejuvenated and energized. On this planet of the purple ocean, there's one more step to go to make the transmutation complete. Please follow the pathway to a golden pyramid. This golden pyramid looks like glass, but is actually a ginormous crystal. Gently follow the path, step by step, until you reach it. When you reach the crystalline structure, which looks like a pyramid, sit down in the middle of the pyramid, crystalline center. From there, on the top of the pyramid structure, will come a light beam into the center of your head. You are completely protected. You will not receive more than you can hold. But this particular moment, if you so give permission, you will be given an accelerated dose of light and love, as much as you can hold in your physical form, emotional form, mental form, and spirit form. Please make yourself comfortable in this pyramid of crystalline structure. You can lay down or sit in the center. It does not matter. The light beam will follow through your whole body and permeate every single cell physical cell as well as energy cell. All bodies from physical, emotional, mental, spirit, ether bodies will be imbued with this love and light vibration rate coming from the highest high, concentrated through the pyramid structure. So relax for a moment and put yourself onto receptivity mode. The light shines above you, burning off all worries, fears, anxieties, and even up to the deepest root causes of disturbances, dis-easements, as much as you can allow it, and as much as the karmic consequences can allow it. Relax. This is your time. This is your healing time. Being on the low density planet is difficult enough. So we want to support you with an energy injection of love and light, with an energy infusion of love and light, that the light shine above you, into you, through you, immerse you in its vibration rate. Love and light shining bright in your body and wherever you are, were, and will be. If you let it, this infusion can transcend time and space, meaning you can take this energy connection with you wherever you go, wherever you are, whenever you are. It is not connected to a particular time or a particular no zone. It is connected to the eternity zone beyond time and space. So when you allow yourself to connect to this energy strand, you might feel sometimes a little bit like the observer in your three-dimensional reality, but you will always feel connected to your soul strand. It might take a little bit for you to get used to this energy observance, as if the world is not real. However, when you consciously ground, you will be instantly back into your role play on Earth. But you have an option to let go of that role play and take the position of an observer of the highest order, to look upon the cause and effect and play, understanding it in its all aspects and your role in it. Important is here to note that when you allow this connection of the eternal love and light to truly anchor into your system, this cannot be disrupted anymore. This anchor is solid. This nurturing is solid, stronger than any metallic cable, stronger than anything. Because in your consciousness and subconscious and your higher self, all that together will weave the bond to the higher spheres of your eternal existence. Breathe in deeply the light. Breathe in deeply the love. Is only eternal love and eternal light can shower upon you. This is an energizing moment beyond time and space. This is the reminder of the eternal you. Breathe it, live it, be it. There is no more doubt of what you really are and who you really are and whom you really serve. But to perform and play in the theater play of life, we have to go back down, dimming the light to fit in to the role play, which we agreed upon to do. For that purpose, we are going now to our individual safe space. If you do not have a safe space yet, we ask you to create it, whether it is upon Earth or whether you utilize and now your own planetary system. We ask you now to focus on the words safe space, safe place, home place. And we ask you to let images arise. What does it mean for you to have a place where you're totally safe, secure, healthy, happy, whole, and loved? How does it look? And you might find yourself already there. And if you are just in your energy body, look a little bit closer. And you might find that you're in a meadow or at the ocean or in a totally otherworldly space or in a completely unique space, just comfortable for you. Look around and describe to yourself how your safe space look like. Describe your surrounding. On what do you sit or stand? Is it light or dark at this moment there? Are you alone there, or are there others with you? Is there plant life? Is there animal life? Is there sun shining upon you, or just infuse the light or diffuse the light. Is it more earthly, a safe space, or otherworldly, a safe space? How deep can you relax in this safe space? What is the predominant color theme in this safe space? Who is nurturing you in this safe space? Some of you multidimensional thinkers might have an overlay of several realities in one. Do not worry about it, thinking that your mind is fleeting, but just know that your structure of perception is multidimensional and overlays one reality over another. That is fine. Just focus again in center. Focus on safe space. We want you to have this safe space as an energy refuge whenever life gets overwhelming, whenever you get anxiety-ridden, whenever there is a fear creeping up on you, that you can just say this one word to yourself, safety, or two words, safe space. So that whenever you think these words, you can access that zone where you're energetically safe, physically safe, mentally safe, energetically safe. So that your energy system can stay strong and unencumbered, whatever might be thrown at you. We might do a switch back now to the pyramid of crystalline gold, where just the purest light shines upon you, and feel how you feel there. And that the next moment you're thinking safe space, and you are at your preferred safety spot. And then you're thinking, mentally focusing on your physical form, and you're feeling yourself back in your physical form, and you're taking all the other two with you, the energy of the safe space and the energy of the crystal spot, amplified energy of love. Both strings and strands of energy connections are available to you at any given moment in time. One leads you directly to the nurturing energy strand of divine love. The other leads you to the natural place of a safe space. The quality might be a little bit different according to your needs, but it will always be available whenever you need it at any given moment in time. Just think the code word, safe space, and you will be there. Your energy will be anchored there. Or think nurturing love and light, and your energy system will connect with that space in the crystalline pyramid structure, where the condensed form of light and love flows upon you and through your system. These strengths we want to give onto your journey for the upcoming time, so that you can stand clear and tall in your mind and in your body and in your spirit for the upcoming times, every moment of every second of every day. While we did this energy journey with you, everyone on your list got nurtured in a similar manner, brought to a safe space for them to look around, brought to the nurturing light fountain for them to absorb as much as they could of the divine light design. Everyone received as much as they could hold. Now we ask you to gently come back, fold your energy wings, and get ready with your consciousness to merge yourself back into your physical form. Gently, naturally, and easily. Follow the golden strand and the white silver liquid light strand back to your body. Slip into your physical form like you slip a hand in your glove. This is uniquely your physical temple. Slip into your body and feel well, as you can transmute and transform it now from the inside out, with the vibration rate you're filling in as you bring it back. We're slowing down the vibration rate at this moment to adjust your spirit body more to your physical form. The lowering vibration rate starts now. We ask you to take a deeper breath to reintegrate yourself back into your physical form. Remember that you're always expanded beings, no matter how your physical body ails you, how your mental body ails you. This is always accessible to you, even if you forget it in the moment. That's why we want you to create these keywords: safe space, light and love space, so that you can anchor it in your memory banks and have instant connection, like at the push of a button when need arises. And if you so desire, as sometimes Symbols make it easier to access a field of energy. We invite you to give both destination a symbol. What is the destination safe space symbol? What is the destination crystalline love and light pyramid symbol? And then you can anchor them into your body. As you anchor them into your body, you're fully there. Bring your consciousness back. Take a deep breath and awaken anew in the core of yourself.